Hey, hello again. Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. Thanks for joining me today. Behind me you see Qwest E22 RLS Tritoon. It's a new model for our showroom here. Why don't you come on aboard and take a look at what this boat has to offer. The first thing I love about Qwest pontoon boat is the real sporty look here. We have the black exterior with the cayenne striping, really sharp. And the best news is it does come inside with us as well, and you'll see it on the seats here as well, with a two-tone seat and some nice piping here. It's a really nice look. One of the other features I like about the Qwest pontoon boats is we do have USB ports built into the seats, so if you have some techies on the boat, they can plug right in and use that USB port. As we work a little further towards the back of this Tritoon, you will see some in-floor center storage. This is big enough that you can store all your jackets, skis, tubes, anything that you need out of the way. The ropes, great place to put them here as well. Finally, we get to where the captain's going to sit, most important seat on the boat. You'll notice really comfortable seat. We do have tilt steering here and a Garmin 7-inch screen that tells you everything from water temperature, water depth, and your location on the lake. Lots of cool features. We do have this paired with a Suzuki 150 horsepower outboard motor on the back. And you're also going to see this heavy-duty ski tow bar that can hold up to 350 pounds. Another new feature that we really like on these Qwest Tritoons is the electric steering. It plugs right in through the motor, through the battery, and it makes that motor just so easy to turn when you're out in tubing. With anything we sell at the Charles Mill Marina, we do include a full tank of gas, mooring cover, on-water demo, and delivery anywhere in the state of Ohio. We're also going to handle all your titling and registration needs in-house. If you think this is the boat for you, you can give us a call or text us at 419-368-5951. We'll see you soon.